Winter is upon us. Well, it's like, I don't think it's winter. I think it's just drops of snow. Drops of snow. We love it. Snow came early this year, but cool, you know, because we're preparing for it now. The new place we live, the actual parking area, it's got that cobblestone. So I noticed it the other day, a little crazy. Hello. Oh. Hi. We have to get that salt, you know, Straugut, something, so that we don't slip and slide. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I know. Yeah, come on. I know it's cold. There we go. There we go, buddy. Yes. Oh, Go. Go. Come on. Go. You good? I won't get a lot of footage today. Oh, Ludo. Go. What's cool is that you've got to see all the different changes of the season for the past couple of clips from us. So that's really cool. Speaking of cool, it's frosty enough to actually wear gloves that I forgot. Yeah, can you guys see me? Yeah. So what can I say right now? You know, my woods walk. What words of wisdom in the woods walk can I give y'all today? Here it is. Be kind to everyone that you run into today, because they're fighting a battle that you may not know anything about. So it doesn't take anything to just be kind. When you see somebody passing, just give them a nod. Hi, 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 hey, what up? Anything like that, because that could be the difference of a good day and a bad day. So, yeah, words of wisdom in the woods when I'm walking. It's a new thing. Enjoy the scenery.
24 hours later.
Look, what happened to the snow? It's gone. What in the... And just like that, the snow is gone. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is weather in Germany. So you could go from a nice sunny, cold, brisk day to a, oh, look at this, here comes the snow day, to, whoops, here comes the rain. And that's the kind of weather that we're in for from here until probably late January, early February. And then even then, who knows what kind of snow is going to hit. So yeah, this was just a really quick season changing video. I didn't really expect to happen, but it's fine, because that's what we were in for. We knew it was coming. I told you it was coming. And like I said just a few minutes ago, you got to see all of the different seasons, all the different weather changes. So that's cool, right? Absolutely. But one thing remains. Stay kind. Be nice to somebody today. Yeah, in the immortal words of Dave, Heather, Ludo, in the crazy climate of Germany. Tschüss.